name is Perfect Gives and I'm here to teach you geography, topic latitude and longitude. First, what is latitude? Latitude is the angular distance of a point measured in degrees from the center of the earth. Use of lines of latitude. Lines of latitude are used to locate the exact points on the atlas map. Example, Nigeria is located between 4 degrees north and 14 degrees north of the equator. 2. Latitude is used to calculate distances. Now, let's talk about lines of latitude. This is the equator. It divides the North Pole from the South Pole. It has an inclined angle of 0 degrees. Then we have the Tropic of Cancer. It has an inclined angle of 23.5 degrees north. Then we have the Arctic Circle. It has an inclined angle of 66.5 degrees north. Then here we have the North Pole, which is 90 degrees north. Here we have the Tropic of Capricorn. Which has an inclined angle of 23.5 degrees south. Here we have the Antarctic Circle. Which has an inclined angle of 66.5 degrees south. Here we have the South Pole, which is 90 degrees south. Now, moving on to the calculation of latitude. Before we can calculate latitude, we have to look at the procedure so that we can use it to solve the example. First procedure, you locate the two places involved. The second procedure, you find the latitude difference. If it's north-north, you subtract. South-south, you subtract. North-south, you add. Then if it's for the equator, north and north-south, you will add or you subtract. Now let's look at examples. Now following the procedure, let's solve example 1. Procedure 1. Calculate the distance between South Africa, 30 degrees south, and Spain, 40 degrees north. Following the procedure, procedure 1 says we should locate the two places involved. Which is South Africa and Spain. Procedure 2 says we should find the latitude difference. Since it's south-north, we add because from the procedure, they say if it's south-south, you subtract. North-north, you subtract. But now that it's south-north, we add. So we do 30 degrees plus 40 degrees, which is 70 degrees. Now, procedure 3. We are going to multiply the longitude difference by 111 kilometers. So therefore, the longitude difference of South Africa and Spain, the latitude difference between South Africa and Spain is 7,770 kilometers. Now, moving on to longitude. Longitude is an imaginary line drawn on the globe, running from north to south at the right angle parallel. Now we have the important lines of longitude. Here is the Greenwich meridian. Now we have the lines of longitude. The line here is the Greenwich meridian. Which is 0 degrees. Then this log 100 degrees east. Log 180 degrees east. Here we have the north, we have the south, we have the west and the east. (180 degrees west). Now, moving on to the similarities of longitude and latitude. They are both imaginary lines. They are both angular distance. They both contain great circles. They are measured in degrees from the center of the earth. Now, calculations of longitude. Before we can calculate longitude, we must follow the procedure so that we can calculate the example. Now, let's move on to the example. Example, what is the longitude of tan X whose type is 12 moon when Greenwich mean is 6 p.m.? Tan X which is 12 moon and Greenwich mean tan X come first before Greenwich mean, and before you get to 6 p.m. you must get to 12 noon first. So we subtract 12 noon from 6 p.m. Which is equal to 6 hours. Procedure 3, they say we should convert the time difference to longitude. So 6:15 is equal to 1 hour. 15 is equal to 1 hour. So we times 6, which is equal to 90. Since the arrow is facing west, and if the arrow is facing west, it loses time, but if it faces east, it's gaining time. So now, the tan X is 90 degrees because 90 minus 0 is equal to 90 degrees. So tan X is equal to, therefore, tan X is equal to 90